Hello, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to some more Foundry. All right, so let's look up here. I did get the red stuff kind of built. It wasn't a lot. Basically, I just needed to get past that light. Um, I made a thing for foundations, and I made a thing over here for belts, and then kind of pipe those into this guy, and then pipe those into this guy. And then that way we have red guys up here. Then if I go to research interface, we want to look at this inventories. Steel is probably good. Um, trying to figure out what we actually want to get. Logistic logistic container two, belts two, probably are all good things. So we'll go basic steel making. So we'll probably need that first. So we need 35 of each of those, and that's going to kind of take off. Part of the reason I did that is so that way I had 100 of these things kind of backed up, and because it takes a little bit of time to build those things. Let's see, science pack two, completed the research.
We are making great progress. New exciting blueprints are coming up, exactly as the disaster protocol suggests. BB, any updates on the station? No, not yet. Okay, we'll follow the protocol and continue to expand until you have news for us.
All right, so nothing here. Okay. All right, so that guy should be going good there. We'll go ahead and do this. Fill that hole in so it doesn't look weird. Let's see. And then other than that, the other things that we built. Let's see. Go into here. So we do have like stairs and ladders added there. A couple of things there. Nothing new there yet. The signs. Plates. Let's see, a couple of plates. Oh, well, those are going to be making those guys. Here, this is what I need here. All right, so we'll do that. See, make a couple of plates or a couple of those doors. A paint roller. See, those are all normal. That's now the same. All right, so should be able to. I guess I probably didn't need a bunch of those. Let's see, and then we should have some signs here. All right, let's do that. Do four. No, four. Just like a little computer. I don't know. All right, I'll check those things out later. Okay. So 9. Select color, custom colors. Uh, okay, so we'll save that color. Okay. Doesn't seem to paint anything. What if it only paints cosmetic stuff? Doesn't seem to paint anything. All right, so we're just kind of waiting on this guy to get caught up. Still is about almost halfway there, or a third of the way there. Do that? Anything? Anything? Anyone? Just those three back there then still. All right, so I think we need to progress through to get to some stuff. So I'll be back once I kind of get uh, at least the steel done. I may get um, I don't know what else I need. Incinerator, the greenhouse. I need explosives, or scanner mineral rock, and then concrete production. Okay, so I need to get explosives probably next. Explosives, then the mineral scanner rock, um, and then concrete. All right, I'll be back in a second. All right, so I got me a new platform built here. I got when I looked at the steel production, I got to make some new buildings. So I get to make a crusher. We're gonna make 5 of those. So what the crusher is gonna do is it's gonna take the Zephium ore. I believe it's the plate one. I think it's the orange one. Let's see. Yeah, this guy. So Zephyrum and or Ingram and Zephyrite, Xenophite. So we're gonna take some orange and we're gonna take some red and we're gonna mix them together. Let me get this guy here. We'll get this guy brought over like this. Um, see, I don't know how much of this I need. We'll do that. Get this guy going this direction. And I specifically like shared it off down here so that way it feeds power to here first and then it'll feed the other things. And then let's see, let's do this. Go in here to my C button, find the crushers I just built. There they are. Don't know how many crushers I need. Know how many I'm gonna make. So we'll do. So they're only 2 wide, so that's helpful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so that way that will give us those guys, and then figure crusher. Okay, so we'll eventually need probably, uh, honestly, we'll probably end up having to run stone and stuff to these guys too, most likely. And then we'll get all these guys done. We probably should be building a lot more of the stuff, and build us an entire mall area, just because I probably should be doing that. But you know, let's see. Let's go here. Go there, 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 and there. Do 5. We'll do there, 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 there. Yeah, that should be stuffing all that stuff in there for us. And then once we get all that in, I'm guessing we need to put it into those guys. So let me get here. We don't have, I don't have any of those. Let me get these guys here. So we're going to be building still. And then, what am I researching over here now? I'm researching ore refining. So this is ore refinement. So I'm assuming that I'm gonna be able to do something to get that stuff. I'm gonna have to rebuild that, which would make sense. Let's see. Smelter small. Electromagnetic. Okay, so I just need. I think we can just grab electromagnetic components over here. Let's see. Just make 5 of those guys for us real quick. Now the trick is I need to have this guy out here. Uh, so I'm gonna probably end up needing at least one more of these guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to basically direct feed the smelters. It may not be the most optimal. Let me see. Does this thing tell me? So that's gonna basically I'm gonna output 20 per minute, and you will do 20 per minute. So direct feeding is probably the correct way to go here. Um, okay, there you are, small smelter. I keep burners there, keep that there. I don't need that there right now. Do this. So if I do, oh no, I need another one. Oh, oh no, okay, I did need another one. All right, good. I just didn't put it in. I actually dug the area for it though. All right. So oh no, this needs to be way out here. It doesn't need to be 2, it needs to be 4 out. So I need to get at least 2 more. Luckily though, now with because I'm making the platforms, so if I'm low on platforms, I just go over there and I just go a whole stack of them. So same thing with belts. Nope, nope, I want that. All right, let me try this again. Pick these guys up. All right, so I need 2 for the output and then 2 for the input. And then I need to make a few more of these. Oh, there. We'll make those. All right, those will all be going there. Place that guy picked up. then we'll do like this. And then basically we just go in and put belts like this. Then all these buttons. That should start smelting away. And then that will drop, make steel for us. And then take this. Oh, that's not the ones I wanted. I don't need the big ones there. Try this again. Try that. All right, and then let's go this way. So if I decide that I need more room over there, I can get it. And then we'll go back up here. Configure these to output. Now we'll have steel coming out. Oh, look at that, steel beams. All right. So now we have steel coming out. Let's see what this guy's doing. Where are you at? You're at 55%. We getting slow? No, we still got plenty of these guys. Just taking forever. Get here. Give me one of those. Let's see, go ahead. Put that guy. Do this guy like this. And you can go via input again. So that should give us quite a bit of storage there. All right, so we'll do that. Once we need steel, we'll be able to run that over to someplace else. Now, I did set the steel kind of on its own little platform here. Just kind of allows me to control the power a little bit easier. And instead of if I needed to, like, I'm like, oh, okay, I don't need any steel or whatever. I could either kill a line and then that way it kills the entire thing. I don't have to worry about it. And then if I need to, I could probably add what, one, two, like three more. Yeah, so I'd be able to do all the way up to eight. And then that would give us a full eight of those. All right, what do you want, buddy? High voltage power.
Corporate guidelines say we're using suboptimal energy generation methods. Only steam turbines provide maximum efficiency. We need to fix that.
Okay. Steam turbines. Okay. Well, I'm currently researching other things, so you're gonna have to wait. And I will be back when I get some stuff figured out. Talk to y'all soon. All right. So let's see. Let me get this guy out here. I think I need one more. Yeah, I need one more. So I'm having speed issues with research. So I decided the best way to fix those is to make more research. And you can't have a belt that turns under it turns under one of the inserters. It has to not be doing that. So we're just going to do that. We're going to add some more of those. We're going to go down here and get some more of these because I ran out of belts finally. Give me those. Oh yeah, now I have more belts. So I'm just going to do this, and then these guys can just kind of pull in these things to their heart's content. Now, I am not making nearly enough of these. I need to improve this in order, like this will work for like surges, but it's not going to work for very long because I'm only going to have so many of these things in here, and you'll see I'm not able to fill these things nearly as fast as I can use them. So these are both empty right now. And then this thing's going to go down quickly. So that is going to be a problem for later. So we should be okay for right now, but we'll find out. All right, so our ore refinement is unlocked. So let's go see what the ore refinement does. I have a feeling. Let me get. I need crushers. Okay, I need those parts. Let me get these. Let me get a stack of those. And let me get a stack of those. I want to make me a few more crushers. So the issue is, you know what, just make all of them. Just make all the crushers. I think what's going to end up happening here, though, is that I need to change the way these things work because I think I need to add, I need to basically build this to get these guys to work correctly. Uh, I have a, I just have a feeling. All right, let's see. I think it's this guy here. I need to move that out further here in a second. Let me get missing building foundation. Of course, why would you not? Why would you actually? Okay, fine. There. Now you have building foundation. Then I can look at you and see what you do. Configure crusher. Uh, so if I, yeah, so I'll need to bring. So technically, what I need to do is probably split these guys. Get this guy up. This guy up. I think I can do it there. So this guy can go out here. I clean all these guys up. And then what I'm gonna end up needing to do because at that point I need to split trying to figure out the best way to do this. Because what's gonna end up happening here is this guy's gonna go away. So these are all gonna go away. Get all these guys out of here. And then it should give us better use of our ore, I think. And then you're gonna go away. You're gonna go away. Because this is all gonna go a different direction. Let's see, we get that back. Put that back on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it and wiggle it through here, and then we'll put the crushers back here. So move those, right? So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Do that. Right? And then once we do those, like that, like this, like this, this, like this. And then make it, you can go this way, you can go like that, and then you can go like this. And that should get us the ores going. And once I get here, I'm going to go Zephyrite ore, right? Oh, it's going to take 40 in to 40 out. Ugh. So technically I can power 2 of these guys. Um, what is that? What is that? Uh, so technically, yeah, this isn't efficient. Because what I really would want to do, hopefully it just uses, I'm hoping it kind of doubles it. Doesn't seem to double it. Okay, I'm not sure of, actually confused as to what the advantage of this process is. So it does allow me to basically get more ore out here, but I would hope that ultimately it would allow me to ideally I would be able to get uh, more ore out of it, right? All right. So these guys should all be going like this. Then eventually they're all going to get filled up. So, but yeah, it technically will take. I don't understand. It doesn't seem to be doing. It's like it's not making extra. Oh, maybe it is making extra. Okay. Manage inventory. So I have 23 of these in here. So if I put 23 of these in there, no, it seems to be 1 for 1. It doesn't seem to. I don't understand the reasoning behind it. Yeah, so it's 23 in, 23 out. I don't understand what this process is gaining me, I guess is the problem. Yeah, because right now, like it's definitely using a lot more ore. Like it can definitely take all the ore that I'm throwing at it. Um, but I don't understand. I don't get what I'm gaining, what the ore refinement is doing. Yeah, because this thing, unless unless it gives me more plates here, but in order to get those, I need to get more. I need to do more testing. So that one's turned off. So change. No, I don't want to change recipe. I want to. Yeah. So oh no, I need to do this button. So I'll put 8 in there. So that one. Okay. So that gives me 3. So it's on the output that it does it. So it's still taking me 6 seconds to do it, but it's doing. So I put 8 in, put 8 in and got 12 out. Whereas normally I think I put. Okay, so I get a 50% increase by doing that. Okay, not not the worst thing we could do, but is it required to do it right now? Probably not. I need to probably do it to the copper though, just because I'm gonna need to do it. And it's gonna take me a little bit to get steel going back again, because these things have all got to get full before it starts letting things go again. So that's gonna be a minute. All right, how's these things going? Okay, so that is we got 53 in there, so not a lot. And then let's see, research interface. Let's see, what else do we have? What else do we have? So, oh, we needed explosives because explosives lead to this new scanner, lead to concrete. All right, so let's do that. We'll get the explosives going, and that should kick off fairly quickly. Now, I do want to go also expend these guys, um, and basically change it to this other setup. But I'm not going to put y'all through that. So I'm going to go and pull these up. I guess I could leave them, but actually, you know what? Let me go ahead and leave them. Let's see. We'll leave them for now, so that way we keep making stuff until I'm ready. But I'm gonna go ahead and expand this out and get that all done, and then I'll be back in a second. All right, got the copper, the rods here. Production changed, so I went to basically cut these numbers in half. So I have basically one of these guys feeding two of these guys, which should work. Um, the problem is I'm not fully saturating everything right now, so we'll have to see. and we're going to have to get our other belts kind of up and going, probably sooner rather than later. And then get this guy over here. So the explosives, I think, are done. So we'll go ahead and do our next ore scanner here. We'll go ahead and research that guy. So we only need 25 of those. See how these guys are doing. We're up to 38, so we still have plenty to kind of get that done, to get those going. I really want to try to get to the next tier of researches, because I think the next tier is when we start doing like vertical stuff. There's a new type of processing there, advanced explosives, small batteries, construction industry, right? Um, chemical processing. I want to see lights. See here. Yeah, the freight elevator, so that allows us to start going vertical, and then mining efficiency. That will be helpful. Ooh, a third lane loader. I like that idea. And then long range scanner. I thought there was like underground mining too somewhere in here. So we'll just slowly progressing through to that, and it, with six of these things going now, like it says, total server research server six, active server six, max research speed 600%. Uh, these have sufficient power, science item supply. It has to be enabled. Okay, so with these things all stuck together, they process faster too. Okay, all right, I'm here for it. All right, so we got that guy. So we'll go ahead and get concrete production started. I think we're going to run out of production probably sooner rather than later. Yeah, we may not have enough things on the old belt there to get those things processed through. But now, if I go back to here and go to 0 and then go wing, Ziphrite, Technium, mineral rock. So my mineral rock is over here. It's down there. Um, except for I think I want to make explosives. Explosives, explosives. There's an explosive detonator. Let's make one of those. Explosives, primitive. We need biomass. So we need ignium, rubble, technium, ore, rubble, and biomass. Um, so I think that's gonna be over there. So which we do this. Go grab some of these guys. First thing I want to do is find out what the actual, how big of an explosion we're going to be making here, before I go out and go start getting crazy. Get these guys like this, and then we can go talk to, um, where is the robots? There they are. So I can actually come talk to this guy and just grab a bunch of that. And then once you get those, we can kind of run off towards Ignium, and I'm just going to do the same thing from the Ignium and just pick up a big match of it, and then we'll have explosives. We can run out here. Be like, excuse me, can I have those? Okay, we're not doing too bad down there yet. All right, so once I have all that stuff, I should be able to do this and just go, oh, make me a bunch of those, thank you. All right, so And then I'm making a bunch of copper because I had a bunch of random garbage in my backpack. And so I'm just gonna make the parts. And then I'm just trying to compress a bunch of stuff. Because doing all this stuff, I made some mistakes over there. And then when I try to, I might have to rebuild this one at some point too. I guess honestly, it probably wouldn't be too bad. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and do it. Just theoretically, I can cut these things in half. Yeah, see, and I have no space in my inventory anymore. Like that. Because I should be able to do that. And then configure this guy to Zephyrite ore like that. So what I'll end up doing is basically cutting those things down and then go ahead and add your for it. So what ends up happening is I pick these things up and it just makes a massive mess. Um, so, but we should be able to cut these things down in half, since these things, well, they do 30 per, oh no, wait, no, they 20 in, 30 out. So, technically, one of these can power two of these. So we don't need, we don't need all of them just sucking our power away. So, and then it looks like we did our research already. And then, so that would be concrete production is done. So Science Pack 3, we need a bunch of other stuff. We need piping, we need high voltage grid. Okay, so piping it is then. So we'll work on piping. We'll do piping, plumber tool, pipe intake. All right. We'll do piping and we'll get that guy going. Explosives. So let me get, should have, oh, I'm still making those. Oh, I have so much useless garbage in my backpack. Um, Probably need to build, yeah, that's what I need to do. Build more stuff because I don't have enough stuff that isn't built already. So I need xenophyte plates for that. You get some of those. You get some of these. Build me some of those. All right. Just it's taking so forever. Oh, everything with these games just take forever. All right. Okay. Do, 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 do. All right. All right. I'm gonna be back in a second when I get this stuff figured out. Talk to y'all soon. All right. So I finally got those things built out. Let me get, I'm gonna go back over here by this guy. Let's see if I can just put down, let's see, let me get, where's the storage box? Oh, I have a regular storage box there. Should have done that a while ago, I guess. Two, two, two there, two there. Can I stack these? Ooh, I can stack these. Okay. So I can like just attach them to the side of the ship. There you go. I want it to be there. Let's see. I just want to. I can't get it to go where. There it is, right there. All right. Let's see. Open container. I'm gonna put. Let's see. Can I just write? Nope. Shift click works. Okay, so let's put all the dirt in there. All right, so we'll put all the dirt in there. And we're gonna put all the seeds into here, and we'll save those because I have a feeling I'm gonna need them for greenhouse stuff in a minute. All right, and put the extra of those guys in there. All right, there, auto sort that guy. All right, so I think for now we're kind of okay. At least got a little bit of extra room in there. All right, now let's go over here. Let's put some explosives there. This item cannot be equipped. Okay. You may want to take off, my friend. Okay. Equipable. Okay. Equipable. Precursor item for remote detonated charges. Oh, I need to make remote detonated charges, maybe? Let's see. Oh, explosive charge. Oh, so I need copper wire. All right, so let me go grab some copper wire and make those. Let's see. Make those. All right, and make those. Okay, I'm low on Xener plates now. Do that. All right, make all this. All right, so now can I put those on my thing? Okay, so I can't put those on my. All right, let's go back over here and figure out what this thing does. See if, so let's go one. So that is one, two, 5 down. And okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So basically 10. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so it's basically a 10 by 10 circle that blows up. All right, and then so if we go back over here, mineral rock is right down there. And then so if we go let's make a big explosion. Just dig down to diggy diggy hole here. The only bad thing is well, I guess it's a bad and a good thing is that the items don't get this or don't get left. Right. I think yes, that's mineral rock. I'll find out what happens. All right. Okay, that seems to work out pretty well for me. I found my guys. So now I just got to be able to get a thing to get out of here. Make me a little stairway to get out. Look at that. Now we got those guys down there. All right. So I'm assuming I probably need to build that guy down there. I probably want to get power figured out. Um, oh, I was doing greenhouses for farming. Let's see. I have lots of stuff to get figured out here because I need power. I need high voltage grid. I need greenhouses. So let's go ahead and get the high voltage grid. High voltage grid power, power poles, transformers, industrial power generators. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then, but we're starting to make like this is starting to be fun because we can make big holes with it. And then the steel production is going to be slow because this is trying to get backed up. Yeah, so now this is actually backed up because we basically I, I I took a bunch of the ore and stuck it over there, and then so these are only supposed to have like 3 or 6 or something in them, and these things are trying to get back to 200. So now that it's all starting to get slowly backed up again, we'll have this stuff starting to build. We got 516 still in there. I think for the most part we're starting to do pretty good. The factory's starting to take kind of shape. We're starting to get a little bit more efficient and more you know better at building things and stuff like that. So now ideally maybe better to have this thing split off so that I have half of it going over there, half of it coming over here. But for the most part, I think we're okay. So, and then as long as we don't get too ahead of ourselves, then we can kind of keep stuff going. But I think we're doing all right. As always, if y'all like the videos, please consider throwing a like on them. If you have a question, a comment, a concern, you can leave that down below. And then if you're not subscribed and you would like to be, there's a button for that too. You guys be safe. We'll talk to y'all soon.